Oh, stop scrolling. Let me tell you more about herpes. Herpes simplex virus, or HSV, is the virus that causes herpes. There are two main types of HSV, HSV1 and HSV2. Most people with HSV1 get oral infection during childhood from non-sexual contact. However, HSV1 can be spread from the mouth to the genitals during oral sex. HSV2 is almost always sexually transmitted to cause genital herpes. Oral herpes can show up as painful blisters or ulcers in and around the mouth. Genital herpes, it's bumps, blisters, or open sores down there. And here's the thing, most people with herpes show no symptoms or show very mild symptoms, but they can still pass the virus to others. The greatest risk is when there are active sores. While there is no cure for herpes, there are antiviral medicines that can shorten or prevent its symptoms. Remember, having herpes doesn't have to be a big deal. Know your risk to lower your risks. Treatments are widely available.